Good morning guys! Today ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano magluluto ng shrimp and Sprite with ketchup. Okay? So, umpisahan na natin guys. Here's our wok. Ang konting oil. Guys, ang ating ginger. Tapos, we have our lemongrass heads. Tapos, ang ating garlic. Tapos, ang ating red onion. And our sweet chili, hot chili. Nag-translucent na guys ang ating red onions. Ilagay na natin ang ating shrimp. Ito yung nilagyan ko ng konting asin na guys. So, ito yung Sprite guys. Oh. Maglagay lang ako ng isang tasang Sprite. So, yung guys, yung kanyang kunting juice ng shrimp nawawala na. So, maglagay na tayo ngayon guys ng Sprite. Ito ay isang tasang Sprite. Bring it to boil. So, pakuluan natin guys ng 10 to 15 minutes. Ito yung asawa. Ito yung pagkain sa asawa ko guys. Oh. Steamed chicken breast with vegetables. Shrimp now guys. So, yung Sprite guys, pakunti-kunti na lang siya. Hintayin natin na hintayin natin na yung Sprite niya guys mag turn down, yung lumiliit na lang. bago tayo maglagay ng ating ketchup. So, takpan natin ng konti again. Simmer for a few minutes. Here we go. This is now our, look at guys, look at our shrimp guys. Lumiliit na yung Sprite guys. So, maglagay na tayo ng ketchup. Ketchup. Kunti lang, not so much. Okay lang yan. So, I'll be using this one. Mother's Best. This is so yummy, guys. Combination of Sprite and bell pepper. So that's our final product. Okay? Kita ninyo guys. Ang sarap-sarap kaya. So this is our final product. This is a shrimp in Sprite with ketchup. Okay? Thank you for watching to my channel guys. And please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comment, and share. Have a good time. Bye! So ito na yung ating shrimp in Sprite with ketchup.
Steady.
Wow! Magic rice. Guys, this is good for rice. Plus, I've got my vegetables here. Kaya tayo guys.
Just remember to bring the thumb drive.
I love the veggies.
Hey, very good.
Mate, may I have your plate with me?
Right.
May I have that one? I will put my
Okay, plants.
prawns peeling. This is yummy. Sarap din siya guys. I-try nyo kasi masarap siya pag may Sprite at ketchup. Pag gusto nyo a little bit of spice, lagyan nyo ng condensed chili. Yummy. You want more? Full tummy? Stand for a while, like when your tummy is full.
Okay, did I get it in? I think you're right. Your eyes are open, you're all alert. I'm going. I'll put my
A
foot
spoon,
on.
mate?
Huh?
Spoon.
I put my foot on the ball, which is just about to jump out of the skin. So, yeah, I think she's all right. Pepper.